Biafra Liberation Army say they don't buy 139 Nigeria army. No be small thing o. They say na for the revenge of those people where they kill for Uli and all those children where they buy too. Now because of that, now they do this revenge. Remember say shortly after today, now so many medias they carry waiting the Nigeria Defense Minister or Nigeria Army that they talk concerning Simon Ekpa say they sabotage their effort to restore peace in Southeast. No be small thing o. As that one they happen, now one Biafra Liberation Army still come outside come say make una ask Nigeria Army wetin they see yesterday. Say they don't see fire, that's why they vomit am for mouth. No be small thing. Mo go find out how all this thing take happen o. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today is the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We are here to update you of things where they happen everywhere. Okay my people, let's quickly jump into the matter as it dey hot. They say that in Anambra State, say they don't buy some Nigeria army for that side. In total number of people where they don't buy now 139. They don't send them to judgment. No be small thing, you know. Now one Biafra Liberation Army don't see come outside, come break down of things will happen, which is we will play the video. May you watch the things we talk for that video before we will come back, continue. Stay tuned.
Let me update my lovers, Biafrans all over the world, what conspire today in the land of Biafra. I don't know why Nigeria government terrorist group are afraid of Osumo, Osu, or local government like this. I don't know. Please, somebody should ask them, why are they so afraid of Osumo? Why are they so afraid of Olu? Why? Why? Whosoever that is close to them should ask them this question. Please get the answer and report the answer back to me. Why is Nigeria government, Nigeria terrorist group, afraid of Olu? They came this morning, throw about 8 bombs. I have to be sincere to you because it is not everything we will report here. Those bombs destroy some villages, some innocent people houses around us. And as I always tell them that your bomb cannot explode in our territory. They thought I'm joking. Send your drone. Let him come and visualize where you bomb. You bomb the innocent people houses in the villages nearby. But let me tell you, you did not kill any soul, even innocent soul, but the one you have been killing will revenge to them. Their death must be revenge. Now you leave Olu and go to Owerri. You go to Owerri to see if you can penetrate their camp. Let me tell you, as long as this 3 states in all Imo State is concerned, you cannot do anything. Owerri State, Olu State, and Okigwe State are greater than you. You went to Owerri State to see if you can penetrate. Please, I want you to use your mouth and talk wetin you see there. You have already agreed that Olu is greater than you. The same way Olu is greater than you is the same way Okigwe will be greater than you, and it's the same way Owerri State will be greater than you. Now you are looking for a soft landing. You think Owerri State will be easy to you to enter the camp. What do you see now? You think you don't try Okigwe. You use 1 week, fight Okigwe state. See if you can penetrate. Easy for you. You don't give up. Now you are trying Owerri state. I keep telling you, if you know how prepared we are, you will not even dream to try. The harder you come, the harder you will fall. Yes. The harder you come, believe you me, the harder you will fall. And I've told you, our father did not lose war. It was based on the conspiracy of the war. The whole war gang up against them. Then choose to drop that war and cease fire for a moment. They never surrender. They never surrender. There is a difference between ceasefire and surrendering. Now that we carry the harm to complete what they started, we will never cease fire. We will never surrender. We will never retrieve. If you know what is coming for you, if God should open your eye a little to know what is coming for you, you will pity yourself. We are still in the introduction. Still in this introduction, you have already seen what dollars is compared to naira. A dollar is 100, 1,000, 140. But I bet you before December, a dollar should be equal to 2,000 naira or 1,500. Just wait and see. How much is your fuel now? A fuel is 700. Some places are selling 750 a liter. We tell you that we will cripple your economy. It's one of our targets. Time will come that your citizen will begin to carry stone and stone you to death. Time will come. That time is very near. Very, very near. You are a dead man walking. You think we are joking? I've told you that at the end of this drama, Biafra must surely emerge victoriously. You can't stop it. You can never stop it. Not in 1,000 years to come, you cannot stop us. If you know how prepared we are, I believe you will just let us go. If you should know how prepared we are, oh my goodness me, if it is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, if you know how prepared we are, you will not hold us even in the next day. You will just let us go. But because you are very stupid, the same way Egyptian was very stupid, Pharaoh and his people were very stupid, in the same way you will be stupid. Your mind will always tell you, don't give up. European will always tell you, don't give up. We are behind you. Have you studied the case between Russia and Ukraine? Fulani and Yoruba people are very stupid. Yoruba are very useless and stupid. They don't read history. study the case of Russia and Ukraine. You understand what is about to happen to you. NATO promise Ukraine everything. USA, all the world power, Britain promise Ukraine to stand with them, stand by them, provide everything for them, that they must defeat Russia. What happened at the end? Ukraine is crying that NATO deceived them. Because they did not understand that these people, America, are criminal, Britain are armed robber, they are selfish human beings. They are after their business. The weapon they will supply to you, it is for their own game. They know if you did not have conflict, if you did not go to war, you will not buy their weapon. So they will encourage you to embark on war that you cannot win, for them to sell their weapon to you. At the end, they will tell you there's nothing we can do. You don't pass us, be say you don't pass us. Find a way to negotiate with them. That is the end story. But when you look back your loss, you know that so many of your soldiers have already gone down. They have already gone to hell. If your mind is telling you that you can win this war, you can never and you will never win this war. Believe you me. You will never and you can never win this war. There is no way you can win this war. Believe you me. The harder you try, the harder you will fall. The more you come, the more you will die. The land of Biafra will swallow all of you. We are not here to joke with you. I've told you we have only one thing.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, no be smart, as you don't talk so we still come say we bring and come give on money. They follow up with things where they happen as they hurt. No be smart, my people. You know how they do them now. Some updates we will bring them and we will allow you to contribute. May you leave your own opinion for comment section and let us know what you think for waiting this Biafra Liberation Army talk. And also make sure say you share this video and follow this page for more updates as it dey hot. We go see you for the next update though, and we go come update you. Tell you say see the one where they happen as it dey hot. Share the video